Love you 3,000.
Ano habak 3,000 from
Love
UAE.
you
So, I love 3,000.
Ti amo 3,000.
Para kami dahil 3,000.
Welcome to another edition of Coach Miranda Minor's Daily Technical Charting, Fundamentals, Improvement of Trading Quotient, and everything about crypto all in one channel. You need to take time to find your bread and butter trade. Ang focus is very important. Dahan-dahanin mo, wag ka mafo-FOMO. Diba? I always tell you to trust the system. No, I want you to wait for a confirmation candle. Wait for this line to be broken. To never, ever do shortcuts in trading.
Kaya ang galing-galing talaga pag natutunan mo yung tinuturo ni Coach bago na-i-apply mo. Bago yung patient lang, yung patient tsaka yung discipline.
Si Coach kasi, he's not just a content creator. Talagang mentor siya. Pinaglalaanan niya ng oras lahat ng videos niya. Not for him, not to get subscribers, pero para matuto tayo, para maging profitable tayo kagaya niya. Sobrang amazing lang kasi konti lang yung taong gano'n na hindi madamot, na hindi niya sasadilinin kung paano siya mag-earn ng pera. Si Coach kasi mas gusto niya pang i-share yung blessings niya.
Nag-decide ako i-PM po kayo, nag-enroll po ako sa inyo sa beginner class. Ginawa ko po talaga everyday, 3 to 4 videos na sa YouTube ang pinapanood ko. Tapos ninonote ko pa talaga lahat.
Magpahinga ka. Hindi tatakbo yung market, hindi mauubos yung trade setup na yan. Find that bread and butter setup. Vulnerability in trading is our most accurate measurement of trading quotient. You have yet to see your success. You have yet to see your millions. Andiyan dyan na. Are you going to give up today? Or are you going to use the word not yet? Thank you, Miranda. Visit us at www.globalmirandaminor.com. And all of us, let's get to see what we have soon in store. Our website is designed for you as a student to know what do we have to offer, what we discussed every day, and what are the things that we have in our courses. Let's try to look for all of our courses. We have Crypto Primer, Beginner Classes, Intermediate, Combo 1, Combo 2, Mentoring, Elite Package, and Corporate Booking. Let's try to click for the beginner class. Here you will see all of the details that you need to know bilang isang beginner student, the learning modules, requirements, etc. I look forward to seeing you and visiting our website for you to know our schedules and for you to become very, very profitable very soon. See you, Miranda. Coach Miranda Miner, and welcome sa ating another very interesting na produkto in our global Miranda Miner community, and we're calling it our Miranda Miner Raccoon NFT. The first thing you need to do is just to open the website opensea.io/collection/Miranda Miner. Lalabas naman napakagandang mga raccoons na ito on different shapes and costumes. Yan, alright. And of course, pag inopen mo itong site na ito, makikita mo ang ating sham na available na NFTs right at this point. We're actually creating 25 different copies of this particular raccoon. And of course, napakaganda. Actually, hindi pa namin nila-launch, pero nang bumiling dalawa ng design na ito. Kakatuwa. Diba? And of course, meron din itong unlockable content. No? We're gonna be letting you guys know very soon ano pa yung mga yan. Pag pinili mo, I'm very excited. And of course, click mo lang din ng favorite when you actually look for this in the future. Mas madali mo siya makikita. And of course, make sure lang po na kayo po ay i-like mo din po yan mga yan. Just click on heart para lumabas yung mga yan. So when you click on profile, you can easily see all of them. And of course, make sure makikita mo itong green na to. Make sure you also connect your wallet. No? Kasi una, wala pang profile yan. And when you create your profile, you're going to be asked to create and connect your MetaMask wallet. O, yun lang muna. So, antayin kita. Visit our OpenSea website and looking forward for you to be part of those unlockable contents. And of course, yung napakagandang mga NFTs na ito, very soon in your hands and in your collection. Alright, looking forward ka Miranda Miner, and thank you very much for your support. I love you 3,000! This is Coach Miranda Miner, and welcome sa bago na naman nating promotion here in our channel. Yes, today we're gonna be partnering with Bybit, the next level trading, kung saan we're gonna be giving away Oculus Quest 2 in partnership with Bybit. There are actually 10 ways to earn. Just click on the Gleam.io link that's gonna be shared to you in any of our social media pages in Facebook, in Twitter, etc. And also register using our referral link in Miranda Miner link. And there you go. You actually have 10 ways to enter. Yan. Napakaraming ways to enter. Register, download, upload your first Bybit trade, join Bybit Filipino Telegram, join Bybit FB community. Ang dami pang ibang ways to earn. Alright. Alam mo, I'm looking forward for you to get this na. Sumali ka na. And there's already 44 entries, 17 days left. And looking forward for you to experience the next metaverse. Alam mo ba, in Oculus, pwede kang maraming mapuntahan kahit you're not physically there. And it looks like you're gonna be really there, no? Tapos, you could also actually do some exercise, di ba? Kasi parang you are on the imaginary world. Alright, so I'm looking forward to have you to get this very good looking, very awesome Oculus up for grabs for you ASAP. So join ka na, Miranda, and looking forward for your entries today. Sali ka na. Thank you. Salamat. Hey guys, this is Coach Miranda Miner. So, i-flex ko lang itong ating Trezor na binigay sa atin ng ating kaibigan dyan sa Axie Ninja. Maraming salamat. Obviously, Trezor is a hardware wallet by definition. You can actually use this through USB and any devices that can recognize a USB. Since it's a hardware wallet, just need to make sure that you connect it to create an account in Trezor, and make sure you have your passphrases and your credentials, and it will ask you to enter your credentials like this. Nakikita po ninyo, no? And that's as easy as that. No, it's very protected, very user friendly device. You know, and kagandahan dito, hindi ka mahahack dyan because hindi siya online, no? It's actually a wallet connected to a hardware through USB. Paano mo mabibili ito? How can you actually buy this, no? Just quickly go on to your Shopee account, no? When you click on Shopee, please find and look for Axie Ninja. Yan. Just click on Buy Now. When you click on Buy Now, please enter the Shopee voucher code and enter Axie Ninja para makakuha ka ng 300 pesos, no, na shopping voucher discount off sa iyong bibilin. Yan, as easy as that. Alright, so go ahead. It's actually just 5,990 isa minus 300. Nakasulit ka na, and that's it. Thank you everyone, at maraming salamat again to Axie Ninja for your support. Thank you. Hi ka Miranda, magandang umaga sa'yo. In an effort to continue to improve our learning effectiveness in our elite university, we are continuously looking for many innovative ways to improve the learning retention of our traders and future traders. We have been getting a lot of requests from all of you to look for ways for you to be able to refresh your knowledge and quote-unquote sharpen your saw. It is on this business area and business requests that I've thought of coming up with a solution to be able to address the current needs of our student and our community. I would like to give you the good news that we're now going to officially offer a recorded copy of our university lectures, which will come with many assessments in between the modules. I'm very happy for this development because I'm sure this will help you learn the cryptocurrency system that I have been espousing in our university in your own dedicated time and space. It's going to be very helpful for you, so at least you can actually go back and forth with the recording up until you are able to master our system. Please make sure you don't forget that there are assessments in each of the courses or each of the modules. It's going to be very important for you, for your learning progress, based on how it's actually separated per module and the way I've actually put it from a progression standpoint. I hope, Miranda, that it's actually a very good news for you. And please don't forget to visit www.globalmirandaminer.com for more details and information. We're all doing this to make sure we attend to the growing needs of our community, and I appreciate your support in our growth. Maraming salamat, Miranda, for all of the things you've done and supported me along the way from last year up until today, at maraming salamat po. Thank you, Miranda. Daily affirmation and commitment. Ako ay isang disiplinadong crypto trader. I will always plan my trades. I will not enter if it's not my bread and butter trade. I will say no to FOMO dahil I can always earn profits naman in my alpha trades. May tamang signals for buying and selling. Bakit ako? Manghuhula analysis. I will journal my trades because I want to know myself more. I know that my emotions will be known if I write them down. I will treat trading as a business, and that since I don't have a boss, I will make myself accountable to my losses. I will do all of this, I promise. Because alam ko, yayaman ako, uunlad ako, I can reach my dreams very soon. Trading is not a sprint, it is a marathon, and I am a millionaire. Millionaire trader, and I have a millionaire mindset. This is Coach Miranda Miner, and welcome sa ating another very interesting na produkto in our global Miranda Miner community, and we're calling it our Miranda Miner Raccoon NFT. The first thing you need to do is just to open the website opensea.io/collection/Miranda Miner. Lalabas naman napakagandang mga raccoons na ito on different shapes and costumes. Yan, alright. And of course, pag inopen mo itong site na ito, makikita mo ang ating siyam na available na NFTs right at this point. We're actually creating 25 different copies of this particular raccoon. And of course, napakaganda. Actually, hindi pa namin nila-launch, pero nang bumiling dalawa ng design na ito. Kakatuwa. Diba? And of course, meron... Hey everyone, this is Coach Miranda Miner, at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Isa naman pong napakagandang araw kung saan tayo po ay magkakasama-sama ng
sandaling panahon, and we're gonna be talking about, aside from Trezor, no? Aside from giving you Trezor, you can actually win 5,000 pesos today. We're gonna be talking about something about liquidity and on-chain supply. No, we're not gonna be talking about technical analysis today because we're waiting for a major breakout on a trend resistance na ginawa natin kahapon. At kung nakikinig ka sa akin kahapon, sabi natin it can potentially even go down, no? 38, 37 until it hits a 618 area, then wait for a TRBO. Little bit of consolidation, but our topic for today is about liquidity and volume within the on-chain, no? Sino sa inyo dito ang meron ng idea about liquidity and on-chain? Yan, on-chain analysis. No, bilang isang trader, it's important na at least without necessarily learning, no, hindi nyo naman kailangan talagang alamin, but at least you have a little bit of an idea on what is driving the market as of today. You know, karaniwan po sa stock market, normally iniisip po natin if the price is going down, the sellers are actually selling. But in cryptocurrency, alam mo ba, there is a metric that ninatawag po nating wallet activity at yung tagal ng isang wallet in terms of it staying within the particular exchange. Gusto nating magkaroon ng pamamaraan kung saan we can segment the market in terms of what are those activities. Ito ba ay nanggagaling sa mga institutional traders, no? One of the big questions that always come out is, if the price of the coin is retracing, ito ba ay dahilan sa pagtanggal ng mga institutional buyers or ng hodlers ng kanilang positions, no? I'm gonna be giving you a little bit of a fundamental background today. We don't need to do technical analysis every day. I will give you a little glimpse about that. But today, we're going to talk about the liquidity and on-chain analytics ng Bitcoin. Papatunayan ko sa inyo, ano ba talaga, didiscuss natin, ano ba yung mga nagda-drive ng price reduction today? Ito ba yung mga institutions? Or pwede bang ito yung mga retailers or mga short-term hodlers? I'm going to discuss with you guys that there is a specific part of the market na nagda-drive ng volatility pababa. I don't believe that this is because of a massive capitulation. As a matter of fact, ladies and gentlemen, those hodlers that are more than 165 days, no? Rather 180 plus days, they are the ones that are even hodling. Pero anong segment ng market at ng mga hodlers yung medyo tinamaan ng short-term retracement na ito? We're going to discuss all of that. So, without further ado, I'm going to be talking about that. And of course, but before we start our day, if you are listening to our show for today, please click on subscribe. Mag-antay ka maya-maya. We're going to be raffling 5,000 pesos in cash at isang Trezor. Naku, maraming pong salamat sa Axie Ninja for sponsoring this particular equipment or hardware wallet. Maraming salamat po. Please visit them in Shopee and look for Axie Ninja. Sila po ang number 1 Axie Trezor seller in Shopee, and they're actually an authentic distributor of hardware wallets in, hindi lang po Trezor, hardware wallets in the Philippines. Alright, maraming salamat. Jasper, estudyante natin yan. Thank you for the partnership. And without further ado, let's just quickly review the coin performance for today. And of course, this review is brought to you by all right. This review is brought to you by just give me a second, everyone. This review is brought to you by
This program is brought to you by BingX, the world's fastest growing crypto app where you could find your next crypto gem and where trading is made easy.
All right, I am back. Yun, a little bit of technical glitch there. All right, let's review the performance of our coins for today. All right, today is Saturday, March 5. Napakaganda pong araw. March 5, Saturday. Thanks God it's Saturday. At nagtapos po ang ating stock market indexes. Dow Jones Nasdaq and SPX 500, tapos po sila ng kanilang operations kahapon on a negative state, no? Negative 53 basis points, negative 141 basis points, and negative 79 basis points, all for the indexes in the US. As usual, there's a lot of market fear na nangyayari po ngayon because of the potential impact of the inflation, potential impact of the very high interest rate na pwedeng lumabas this coming March coming from the Federal Reserve. Jerome Powell, the Secretary of Federal Reserve, no, in the United States, have confirmed that they are actually going on and continuing to push through with the interest rates this coming March. And it's obviously going to be a very, very important announcement kung saan ang merkado ay mag-a-adjust, no? They're going to adjust and go and tame their risk appetite. They're going to be transferring their assets into a low-risk asset. One of that would be, obviously, mas may impact natin ang mga Nasdaq or tech stocks. Apparently, even yesterday, Nasdaq almost plummeted twice the size of Dow Jones and SPX. As a matter of fact, kahapon, Dow Jones 53 basis points, ang Nasdaq po 141 basis points ang hinataw pababa. Even all of the big stocks, you know, in the States, namely Google, Apple, Facebook, Netflix, PayPal, and Tesla, all of them are actually almost to the north of 100 basis points negative in their performance for yesterday. All right. Let's now move on to the top coin performance review of the day. Let's now go to the 24/7 performance of ADA. ADA is actually at 0.86 a piece, currently at 213 basis points improvement. Wow. Ayos ah. BNB currently at $380 a piece, currently at 158 basis points improvement. Bitcoin within the $39,000 territory at 12 negative basis points. Dogecoin currently at 12.35 cents a piece, within the flat of 90 basis points. Polkadot 1703 at 143 basis points improvement. Ethereum, nako 2650, currently at 110 basis points improvement. Matic 1.48 a piece, currently at 27 2/10% positive. 1 USDT medyo flat at 14 cents. Solana 89.01, flat at 0.7%. Tether at 2.85, 121 basis points improvement, very good. XRP, yun. Ayun ang gusto ko sa'yo. XRP, 0.76 at 7.20. Maraming mga binibigay si Garlinghouse. Panoorin nyo, tingnan nyo ang kanilang Twitter account. Yun. Rose USDT, 23.97, 100% basis point improvement. Axie Infinity at $51 at 3.92. Engine Coin, 1.4 at 3.38. Gala, no, at 22 cents a piece, currently at flat, no, flat. Mana at 2.53, coming from 2.76, currently at 2.10 percentage points. Sand USDT 2.99 at 2.66% improvement. SLP within the 0.9019 territory at 12.21. Luna at 84.92, currently at 1.76 or 176 basis points improvement. Ayun. Napakagandang review. Mukhang magkatapos ng a little bit of capitulation, well, not capitulation, but a little bit of retracement, nagbalikan po kahit papaano ang mga coin. And of course, that coin review is brought to you by okay, medyo kailangan ko gamit na ako dapat ng ating mata. I need to use my glasses already.
This program is brought to you by BingX, the world's fastest growing crypto app where you could find your next crypto gem and where trading is made easy.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Today, pag-uusapan natin ng mabilis lamang ang performance ng ating coin. I would like to let you know that on a very, very big time frame standpoint, kahapon pinag-usapan natin, sabi natin kahapon, pwedeng sumalo ang ating mga 618 areas, and for the most part, sinubukan namang sumalo pero mukhang hindi inabot. No, sinubukan namang sumalo mukhang inabot naman, nagkaroon naman din naman ng 618 bounce area within this particular area. Siyempre, katumbas din yan. This one is also katumbas din ng ating, tago ko muna ito. Coming from our swing low to swing high, katumbas din po ito ng 618 on this area. So magkapatid yan, dalawang yan, tanggalin natin ngayon. So your 38,000 is also an area to consider. Kahapon sinabi natin, potentially pwede rin itong umabot sa 37,577. So key resistance areas po ngayon, makinig kayo mabuti. Everyone, listen to this very carefully. Malapit na on a resistance level ang ating Bitcoin, so you need to make sure alagaan mo to, tingnan mo to, bantayan mo to, wag kang hihinga, wag kang munang kakain. I'm just kidding. No? I am kidding. Of course, kumain ka, magpalakas ka, and you need to wait for this because this can potentially create a potential breakout or a breakdown. Okay, so this one can go here and then eventually go up even higher. Depende kung saan pupunta yan, or tatama sa resistance na to at biglang sosopla pababa, biglang aakyat. Tingnan natin mabuti. Huwag tayong magmamadali. Type number 1 if you understand. A very, very quick chart of the day because we're gonna be now going with our presentation for today. Yan. Alright. Type number 1 if you understood. Ang bilis ko doon, no? Bilis lang yung TA natin because our purpose for today is to be able to talk about liquidity and on-chain analysis. Ayan. Before we move on, I would like to greet all of our students in batch number 28. Ako, napakagaling ng mga estudyante yan. Napakasasaya at I look forward seeing you again next week. Maraming salamat sa inyo and I look forward seeing batch 29, 30 and onwards and onwards and onwards. We're very, very happy for all of that. And binabati ko rin po lahat nakikinig po ngayon. Please type number 1 if you are listening from RTU. If you are a student or you are from RTU, please type. Actually, type number 2. Please type number 2 if you are from RTU and you're listening today. Ayan. I would like to see kung if for someone's listening from us from RTU. Of course, I would like to greet 3MG, Crypto Boss. Alright. Coinyo, Team Coinyo. Very good. Batch 28. Meron ba rito taga-RTU nakikinig ngayon? Baka tulog na itong mga batang to ha? Kasi kanina pa sila kami ay nag-aaral. Nag-aaral kami ng decentralized finance. Thank you. Clarice, maraming salamat. Trisha, hello. Loisa, Editha, puro mga girls, no? Yan, gusto ko eh. Kaya gusto kong salita sa mga universities, no? Puro mga girls. Yan. Loisa, Blessy, diba? Mary Rose. Maraming salamat sa mga taga RTU. Yan, mga taga RTU. All right. Let's now quickly go on with a little bit of a raffle. All right. Magra-raffle muna ako para sa mga taga RTU. Okay? Babalik lang ako ng isang mabilis na commercial. I'll be right back for the raffle of 5 scholarships for the students, no? We have 5 scholarships for the RTU students and you can enjoy a 2,000 peso scholarship from our university. 5 po kayo mapipili today. And please don't forget to click on subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. Oo nga, Roel, kaya nga sarap ng trabaho natin, no? Alright. Meron pala taga RTU kuya dito, Franklin Baldo, yun. Alright, just give me a second. I'll be right back real quick. Thank you guys. Don't forget, our LMS is gonna be launched very soon. Thank you.
Hi ka Miranda. Magandang umaga sa'yo. In an effort to continue to improve our learning effectiveness in our elite university, we are continuously looking for many innovative ways to improve the learning retention of our traders and future traders. We have been getting a lot of requests from all of you to look for ways for you to be able to refresh your knowledge and quote-unquote sharpen your saw. It is on this business area and business requests that I've thought of coming up with a solution to be able to address the current needs of our student and our community. I would like to give you the good news that we're now going to officially offer a recorded copy of our university lectures, which will come with many assessments in between the modules. I'm very, very happy for this development because I'm sure this will help you learn the cryptocurrency system that I have been espousing in our university in your own dedicated time and space. It's going to be very helpful for you, so at least you can actually go back and forth with the recording up until you are able to master our system. Please make sure you don't forget that there are assessments in each of the courses or each of the modules. It's going to be very, very important for you, for your learning progress, based on how it's actually separated per module and the way I've actually put it from a progression standpoint. I hope, Miranda, that it's actually a very, very good news for you. And please don't forget to visit www.globalmirandaminer.com for more details and information. We're all doing this to make sure we attend to the growing needs of our community, and I appreciate your support in our growth. Maraming salamat, Miranda, for all of the things you've done and supported me along the way from last year up until today, at maraming salamat po. Thank you, Miranda.
There you go. All right. Alam mo, napakaraming umattend kanina, ha. Sana andito yung mga taga-RTU, guys, kasi meron tayong almost, sabihin ko lang, ha, almost, yan, napakarami pong umattend. Okay, I'm going to choose 5 names and good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck sa ating mga estudyante from RTU, and I'm going to choose 5 names and good luck to each and every one of you. Let's pick first the first name, okay? And please, don't forget to email us at coach@globalmirandaminer.com. All right. The first winner of the beginner class is Janine Garin. Janine Garin, congratulations. Nanalo ka ng isang scholarship for our cryptocurrency beginner class. Let's move on with the next student. Pag wala po siya dito, wala po niya makukuha yan. Sayang po yan. Alright. Okay, the next person is Marco Gallardo. Thank you. Marco, please email us at coach@globalmirandaminer.com. Alright, next. Alright, Stephanie Pondivida. Stephanie Pondivida. Alright, thank you. The next one is the number 4. Angelica Mercado. Mercado, thank you. And the last but not the least, from Rizal Technological University, there in Mandaluyong, the last person is Ivy Morado. Alright. Kayo po ay nanalo ng 5 free scholarship in our beginner class university. Yan. No, marami naghahabol dyan. Kayo po libre lang, ha? Kayo po libre lang. So, kayo po ay nakatanggap ng libreng scholarship, no? You guys can learn our free scholarship as a course. Yan po, when you click on our website, click on the beginner class, you guys actually have received this free course worth 1,999 pesos for your university. Congratulations to all of you. All right. Let's now move on with another topic for today. Ayun. All right. Let's move on with our topic for today. All right. Let me try to change my view. Parang di ako makasagabal sa chart. There you go. Okay, let's all look at this particular chart. Aralin natin mabuti ito, no? So this is a chart, care of Glassnode. Maraming salamat, Glassnode. A chart that shows on this particular chart, makikita kayo dyan na dalawang uri ng trend line, no? There's obviously a histo chart dyan. So you're actually seeing this, the darker one. Itong darker line. Okay. The darker line, this one, and the blue line. The darker line is the price of Bitcoin, samantalang yung blue line is the illiquid supply. By definition po, ang illiquid supply is the total number of wallets na hindi po ginagalaw. It's not being touched. Okay? So from an illiquid supply perspective, ang sinasabi po niyan sa atin bilang isang trader, that there are times, a lot of times during the past couple of months, no, na matataas po ang illiquid supply. So basically, it tracks the volumes of the coins held in a wallet with zero to almost no spending. Ulitin ko ha. Ito yung alam nyo ba ang Tagalog ng percent is bahaging bilang. Ayan, lalim, no? Ito ay bahaging bilang na or porsyento ng Bitcoin na hindi ginagalaw, no? With a little or no history of spending. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very, very insightful number. Why is it insightful? Noong kasagsagan ng 2018 to 2019, halos wala na nagho-hodl. Nag-capitulate ang entire market. It's a very, very active circulation. Walang mga illiquid supply. Halos lahat ng wallet gumagalaw. At habang tumataas po ito, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, ang mga wallet po naka-hodl lang. No? There are a lot, in this case, 76% of the entire circulating supply are coming from wallet without any activity. So ladies and gentlemen, if the price today is actually on a retracement, that means that this particular market movement is not because of the major institutional players. As a matter of fact, as per Glassnode, marami pa rin ngayon ang mga tao na naniniwala in Bitcoin because they are actually in a cold storage. Meaning, the coins today are being held out of the circulation, nilalabas nila. At yung price action ngayon na nangyayari is because of the 23.7% liquid wallet or liquid supply. Ito palang price na nagbabago ngayon, ito palang price na to ngayon, this is because pala of the activity of those that are not hodlers. Na alam mo, natutuwa ako today, to be honest with you. Ngayon ko lang tumingin ako sa oras. Alam mo ba, kanina pa ako nagsasalita. Tanungin mo sa mga taga-RTU ngayon. Ask the people in RTU. I've been talking since I don't know what time. Alas 12 ba? From 12 to 2:30 I was talking. From 2:30 to 9 to 8 o'clock I was talking for the university. From 8 o'clock to 10, I have a meeting with Dexio Protocol. Thank you again, Dexio Protocol. Thank you for all of you. Watch out for our partnership very, very soon. We're going to be supporting Dexio Protocol very, very soon. We will have an interview with Greg Gould, siya yung COO nila, on March 12. Tabayanan mo yan. They're going to be launching a couple of NFT games, no? NFT play-to-earn games. Abangan ninyo. A lot of it are actually in the development phase today. Ayaw nilang madaliin. They're currently working on a timeline, hoping that by April mailabas na nila yung kanilang play-to-earn. So anyways, I was talking kanina kaya medyo napapagod yung mata ko, no? So, I want you to understand that based on this data, nakikita po natin na ang galaw po ng merkado, yung pagbaba po, ito pong price na ito, this one, this particular price point, itong pagbaba ng merkado na ito ay may almost convergence of the wallet activity. Ibig sabihin yan, yung convergence ng price na ito, this one, this particular price and this price, no? There's a convergence. There's actually a higher low here, no? And of course, you have an upward, sorry, let me move it there. There's an upward trajectory of this particular illiquid supply. So basically what it meant is the coins na tumatakbo at bumababa, yung price na bumababa ngayon, it is driven by retailers. This is driven by retailers. Yung mga tao na nag-hodl ng matagal na nakatago ang kanilang coin as an illiquid wallet. Kasi 77% ng wallet sa buong Bitcoin wallet ecosystem hindi gumagalaw. So think about that. Think about that. If 77% of the people are hodling their coins, wala silang pakialam, bumabayan, masaya sila, what does that mean to you as a retailer? The next one is what you call the revived supply. No, the revived supply analysis. Okay? What is a revived supply? Ito ay nagpapakita ng mga natutulog na coin na more than 1 year na natutulog at biglang ginising. Ulitin ko ito ay nagbibigay ng datos kung saan yung mga wallet na natutulog ng 1 year at biglang ginising, ilan ang mga ginising. Ibig sabihin yan, yung mga ginising, binuksan, binenta, nilabas, ilan sila. During the Bitfinex hack, 94,600 Bitcoin were removed because of the hack. No? But right now, as of this moment, when the price is capitulating, listen carefully, when the price are capitulating, bumababa, yung mga may hawak ng wallet for more than 1 year, walang pakialam. As a matter of fact, the average of 5,000 Bitcoin is an average daily spent. It's an average daily spent. So what does that mean? Is kahit bumababa po ang presyo ng Bitcoin ngayon, walang pakialam ang mga hodler. Please type number 1 if you understand what I'm trying to say here. Okay? We're not going to talk about technical analysis every day kasi gusto ko ikaw bilang aking online student, kahit di ka nagbabayad. Dahil mahal kita, may malasakit ako sa iyo, maunawaan mo, ini-interpret ko sa iyo, hindi kita ihahay balak sa buhay mo. Desisyon mo yan. It's up to you. But dahil mahal kita, ayoko lang nakikita mo yung dimensyon ng technical analysis. Dapat alam mo din yung dimensyon ng liquidity and on-chain analysis. Because it's very, 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 very important. No, as a trader, na alam mo din ano ang analysis of on-chain supply or on-chain activity. So if that is the case, ladies and gentlemen, ano sa tingin mo? If there is no wallet na nagigising more than 1 year, ang utak ng tao, itatago ang coin. Huwag na kayong lumayo. Nasa harapan nyo na isa dyan. Huwag na kayong lumayo. Diba? And lastly, before tayo mabilis lang tayo today, no? I just want to discuss this. Lastly, ito na. Medyo maraming kailangang intindihin dito, no? Okay. So, what does this mean, ladies and gentlemen, is yung mga tao, okay, na itong chart na ito ay nire-representa ng gaano katagal yung mga tao sa kanilang paghawak ng coin, their age bands. at kung sila ba ay kumikita o hindi. And one thing you can see here, ladies and gentlemen, itong axis na ito, this is the profit and loss. So if the color is here, it means that the hodler is profitable. If the color is here, okay, mga nasa baba, itong mga nasa babang kulay na ito ay negative or net loss. Mapapansin po ninyo, maghanap po kayo dyan ng color purple. Sorry, lumilipat siya mag-isa. Maghanap kayo ng color purple and color blue. Color purple, color blue, and green. Question, saan mo sila makikita? Sa baba o sa taas? Can you guys answer me? Itong tatlong kulay na to, where do you see most of them? Sa taas o sa baba? Can you please comment in the channel, in the chat room? Para tayo nagkaklase ngayon. Sagutin nyo ako. No, you please answer me. Saan ka nakakita ng mga purple? Ano ba tawag dito? Teal ba to? Sabi ng anak ko, teal daw yan. Sabi ko, ano anak yung kulay na teal? Blue pala yun, guys. Hindi ko alam. Sa taas, tama. Tama si Damas, tama si Vladimir. No? We see profitability for coins that are hodled more than 2 years and above. Coins that were purchased 2020 are profitable. Here is an aha moment for you. Based on this analysis, people who are suffering on a short-term loss, this one, are people who are mostly within the 1 to 3 months. The 1 to 3 months, ladies and gentlemen, is a potential timeline that your coin can potentially go down. But after, habang tumatagal, 3rd month, 4th month, 5th month, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, the coin, since 2017, that shows the most number of profits are coins that are held more than 2 years. Ergo, laging sinasabi ni Coach Miranda Minor, 2022, let's meet 2024. Doon na tayo mag-usap. Because I can tell you, potentially, pwedeng maging green yan. Kasi hinodel mo ng matagal. So people who bought coins as early as December are obviously suffering losses. Yung mga 3 months hodlers. Ito yung mga nagsasuffer ng losses. But after the 3rd to 6 months, naging yellow na, green na, dark green na, blue na, purple na, they become even more profitable. So what am I trying to say here, Miranda? What am I trying to tell you? First and foremost, based on this chart, sinasabi sa atin po nito na yung pagbaba po ng presyo ngayon from an average of 44,000 down to 39,000. As a matter of fact, galing sa 52,000, bumaba ng 42,000, nag 33,000. Nakikita po natin na habang bumababa yung presyo ng coin, tumataas po yung mga hindi gumagalaw ng wallet nila. Mas lalo silang hindi nagiging concerned sa kanilang wallet, and that is, ladies and gentlemen, a very, very good aha moment sa atin. Ibig sabihin yan, may mga tao na nilalabas talaga nila ang pera nila, no? So meaning, this particular market activity, ito po ay dala-dala o ito ay pinupush ng mga tao na retailers tulad po ng marami sa atin ngayon. So ibig sabihin, yung mga institutional whales, hindi sila ito. 76%, you know, of illiquid supply means really, really, really big, ha? It's a very, very big data. Kasi ibig sabihin yan, wala pong mga whales or massive institutions that are withdrawing their coins. And here you see this, walang nabubuhay na wallet more than 1 year above 5K BTC per day. And here, mas profitable ka if you are a long-term hodler. Ayoko lang sabihin sa inyo pero natutuwa ako sa ginawa ko sa ating kumpanya. Nako, tuwan-tuwa yung mga empleyado natin ako. Napakagandang benefit nila yon. Ayoko nang sabihin online. Amin na lang yon. Pero ayan ang akin. Diyan ako nanggagaling na mindset eh. Pag talagang hinayaan mo lang siya dyan, hayaan mo lang siya, nakita mo naman yung performance ng coin eh. Tumataas talaga eh. Diba? The problem is when every one of us, okay, well, not, I don't know if it includes me, but majority of the retailer, habang nagpapanik ka, habang nauurat ka dyan, sorry for the word, habang nag-worry ka about what's gonna be happening, yung mga whales dyan, printing, nakaupo lang, okay. Sige, tuloy mo lang. Bibili pa ako maya-maya. Baba mo pa, bibili pa ako. Baba mo pa, bibili pa ako bukas. That is the mentality of the whales in this industry, ladies and gentlemen. So we need to be aware of that because ikaw po ay nasa industriya ng cryptocurrency at kailangan po natin itong malaman. You need to know that. So, I hope this actually marami pa tayong magpakikita sa inyo. No, aside from this, obviously, another thing I'd like to share to all of you is this one. I would like to show to all of you that as of right now, the total Bitcoin average open interest. Ibig sabihin po niyan, ito po yung mga unsettled contracts in the derivatives market. Bumaba na po ng almost $12 billion. Umabot po tayo ng almost $22 billion. Unsettled open interests. Ibig sabihin po nito, the market is understanding today that it cannot be extremely aggressive. Hindi po, iniisip na ng market ngayon, teka lang, I don't want to use very high leverage at this point. Ito po ibig sabihin niya. Which means that the market today is learning from its mistakes. Very low open interest means that there's lesser derivatives or futures that are open. Or another thing is people are using lesser leverage right now. Congratulations. People are not abusing leverage right now as evidenced by this particular report. 12 billion na lang coming from a 24 billion high, 22 billion high, way back the 69,000 Bitcoin price. And if you go now on liquidations on Bitcoin, makikita mo dito from a liquidation perspective, yan. Makikita mo na marami pa din pong naliliquidate. Nagtataka ako. To be honest with you, nagtataka po ako kung bakit marami, actually, to be honest, ito yung kinukuha kong inspiration, ba't ako kailangan magturo. I'm worried because alam naman natin that there is a trend resistance breakout, insulated consolidation, early magic, late magic pullback, but when the market is pulling back, the market is suffering from massive losses. Take a look at this, guys. When the market is pulling back, the market suffers on massive drawdowns or losses or liquidation. Ano pong ibig sabihin yan? Marami pa tayong kailangang gawin bilang isang teacher. We need to educate this market na wag yung sasaluhin ang pa-pullback na market. Mag-aantay kayo ng confirmation. You need to wait for confirmation. Because as a matter of fact, ladies and gentlemen, pag ito po ay ginamit natin na metriko, gagawa ka naman dapat talaga dito ng TRBO eh. If there was a trend line here, then why are you going to go all in? Which will result into a very, very big liquidation line here. Don't go all in until there is a breakout coming from that trend resistance line. Yan ang rule of thumb po natin. And at the same time, siguro ito yung mga long-term hodlers, no? At the same time, or mga long-term, kasi dito naman sa ilalim, if you've noticed, dito sa ilalim na to, yan, ito naman, biglang umangat yung coin, ang dami na liquidate na nag-short. People are expecting for massive drawdowns, but they were squeezed kasi yung mga tao, they're not expecting for a drawdown, but expecting for a breakout. So there is a work for us, ladies and gentlemen. There is a work for us, and we need to help a lot of more traders na nasusunog sa pagtitrade dahil sa emosyon. We need to have the consistent reminder sa ating mga traders, nandito po tayo dahil mahal na mahal ko po kayo at kailangan ko po kayong turuan. Kahit mamaos na ako dito, kahit nagla-live pa ako kanina, kahit nagtuturo ako kanina magdamag, meron akong estudyante, kahit nagturo pa ako sa RTU kaninang alas 12 ng tanghali, kahit may meeting pa ako sa kliyente ko ng alas 8, kailangan ko mapunta dito at sabihin sa inyo itong mga bagay na ito dahil sa mga numerong ito. These numbers are not a joke. These numbers, ladies and gentlemen, represents people and their livelihood. People who are liquidated $28 million. Hello? Guys, this is a proof that you cannot and never abuse your leverage. My students, you all know that the reason why volatility. Let's think like a whale. Nag-play ako ng mga videos kanina sa university. Ano man napakinggan nyo? People that are chief strategy officer, people that are chief executive officers, people from Greg King from Osprey Funds. They are CEOs of multi-million-dollar companies. And if they are saying that there is correlation, there is volatility, there is standard deviation, there is volatility, what is our excuse not to listen? Ano ang ating dahilan? Ba't hindi tayo makikinig? They are managing multi-million-dollar funds. Hello? And they're talking the language of correlation, deviation, standard deviation, volatility. Tinuro ko lahat yan sa beginner class kanina. Now you understand volatility. Now you understand what does it mean for volatility of Bitcoin. Ergo, alam mo na may limitasyon dapat ang leverage. Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense to all of you? Taas ng energy ko, no? Ano ba yan, coach? Sabado, nanenermo ka na naman eh. Nagkape kasi ako eh. No? Ito, kinain ko to, sarap. Kinain ko. Ubus ko isang donut eh. Itong pagkain ko ngayon. Diba? At mamaya, inumin ko yun doon sa may likod. So, if the chief executive officers, the chief strategy officers of a multi-million-dollar funds, they talk that way, then what is our excuse? What is our... Oy, Raymond, wag mo silang igitin sa correlation ha. Hindi pa nila alam yan. Wait lang. What is our excuse? Nothing. So someone should teach you, may magturo sa inyo dapat, someone should be teaching these mathematics. Medyo mahirap, to be honest. Medyo mahirap. Kaya nga, nag-iisip talaga ako ng paraan para mapadali. Kaliwang kamay, oras, left hand, right hand, deviation, statistics, charts, lahat na lang padaliin natin para maunawaan nyo. So, guys, I hope you learned something on these numbers. Guys, we're talking about 28 million liquidation lines. Be careful with your liquidations. Be careful with your leverage. Ingat, ingat, ingat. Pera mo yan eh. Kailangan mo gamitin yan. Diba? Pinaghirap, pinagpagura mo yung pera nyo, tapatalo mo lang sa market. And if you're already on the phase of learning, then congratulations. And of course, minsan isulat mo rin journal mo. Ano ba yung mali? Para matutunan mo because you can do it. Diba? Perfect example, may nagsabi sa akin, kay coach lang ako nakakita ng 50% almost na 5x leverage. That's doable, guys. That's very, very, very doable. Oy, thank you sa marketing team, ha. Guys, palapakan nyo naman yung mga marketing team. Hindi na ako nagsisend ng mga to, hindi na ako to. Napakaganda ng mga, napaka-pogi naman ng taon to. Oy, just kidding. Maraming salamat, Dexio Protocol. We love you. Salamat sa inyo. Diba? Oy, International Happy Women's Day. Nakagaling ang marketing natin, no? Hindi na ako sisend dito. Sila, nakita nyo doon, diba? Nakikita nyo naman, no? Nakita nyo dito yung nagsisend. Hindi na ako yan, guys. Si marketing na yan, nakasubscribe na sila sa atin. Maraming salamat, marketing team. Pero yung mga ganito, ako yan. Yan na, puro ako short, oh. Diba? At ka naglulong, eh. Puro short tayo. Diba? Pag hindi gaano maganda ako gumagawa nun. O yung mga ganito magagaling marketing team yan, guys. Okay? So, I hope you've learned something here, guys. I hope you've learned something here. From a liquidation perspective, this is serious, man. This is serious. We're here for a good money. We're here to be rich. Andito tayo para yumaman. Andito tayo para dumami yung pera natin. Sino pa nandito para lumiit ang pera? Sige nga, aber. Basta ako, bahala kayo. Basta ako, andito ako para lumaki yung pera, magtuturo tayo. Eh kung nandito ka para lumiit yung pera mo, kasang anong mindset 'yun? Anong mindset 'yun? Siyempre tingnan ko 'yung sarili ko, kailangan maayos pa rin yung damit natin kahit medyo stress na ako, 'di ba? Thank you guys. Maraming salamat sa pagmunawa. At sa mga taga-RTU, maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagtitiwala. Alam ko marami nag-subscribe sa inyo and let's see kung sino mananalo ng ating 5,000 pesos in Trezor. Sa tama. Oh, may pag-gaming share pa nga yung marketing team. Sa totoo lang, ang galing, di ba? Tama, Christian eh. Oy, Bullet, binabati ko yung kapatid mo, si Cindy. Thank you po. Mabait po yung kapatid nyo. Nako. Sino ba sa inyo, Bullet, ang nauna? Siya ba o ikaw? Maraming salamat, ha. At, meron pang isang nag-send sa akin. Alam mo guys, sa totoo lang, natutuwa ako sa lahat sa inyo. No? Kasi nagpapadala kayo sa akin ng video. Coach, pinapanood ko ito. Kahit saan na yung mukha ko, nakalagay sa TV, nakalagay sa isang lamesa, malaking TV, nanonood lang yung buong pamilya. Uy, kung buong pamilya, binabati ko po kayo sa inyong tatay, nanay, magulang, anak. Magandang gabi. Sana, nabibigyan ko kayo ng konting karunungan in crypto. No, hindi po ako dito namimigay lang ng Trezor, ha. Baka iisip mo namimigay lang tayo ngayon ng Trezor, hindi po. Dito tayo para magturo. Kahit pagod na ako, okay lang. Parang fuel ko kayo eh. You guys fuel me. You guys give me learning and you guys give me inspiration to move on eh. Masarap kayong kasama. No? So again, thank you din Pete. Ikaw talagang galing-galing mo. Mas nauna ka, Bullet. Okay, very good. Congrats sa napakaganda ng marketing team natin. Ang galing guys, sa totoo lang. Nagagalingan ako sa kanila. Magaling, meron na kaming high-tech na ang marketing ngayon. Hindi na sila nagpo-post sa Facebook. They have a technology called Hootsuite now. Very, very good. Naka-schedule na po yung mga yan. Ang galing eh. Hindi ko alam, magsisend na sila oh. Magaling ninyo. Ayan oh. May pagganyan pa sila sa marketing team natin. Ang galing-galing naman ng marketing team. Maraming salamat. Hindi po ako yan. Sila po nagsisend dyan. Ang galing oh. May ganyan-ganyan pa oh. 2 days na lang guys. Ilang araw na lang ba? Ilang araw na lang yung Oculus. Sali ka na. Ito pa oh. Ito ngayon yan. Ang galing nila no. Alright. Okay, now let's move on with the raffle. Kasi kailangan ko na magpahinga at masakit na po ang mata ko talaga. Pasensya na po kayo ha. So, balitaan ko lang na mabilis yung ating Turkey inflation rate. Panginoon ko po, ang inflation rate ng Turkey, 54%. Nako, magdahan-dahan tayo sa Pilipinas. Huwag tayo magka-prente-prente dito. Sinasabi ko po sa inyo, guys. Huwag tayong bilang Pilipino, tandaan ninyo ang presyo by Saturday or Tuesday, ang presyo po ng gasolina tataas ng 4 na piso, Panginoon ko. Nak ng 7 kuba. Nako, patay tayo dyan, guys. 4 na piso, mag-full tank na ako mamaya. Pag-drive ko pa away, I'll do full tank. Crazy times. Never ko sa buong buhay nakita ang presyo ng gasolina, 80 pesos 1 litro. Panginoon ko. ₱80 yung gasolina. Yung get over, guys. Sino mga nagda-drive dito? Sige nga, type number 1. Are you guys driving? Ano dinadrive nyo? Parang mag-taxi na nga lang tayo. Grabe. ₱80. Tandaan nyo, guys. Tandaan nyo, ha. Huwag tayo magka-prente-prente. Huwag magdahan-dahan tayo bilang Pilipino. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, ₱80 ang 1 litro. Pag umabot ng 100 yan, gulo. Naku, huwag naman po sana, manalangin po tayo. Magwewelga ang napakaraming tao. Itaas ninyo ang sahod. What's happening in Turkey right now is potentially to happen in our country. The Turkish lira lost roughly 47% of its value in the last full year. How much is lira right now? How much is Turkish dollar right now? And what is driving inflation? Price of the consumer goods rose 4.81% on the previous month. So tumataas ang presyo ng bilihin. So wag po kayong magpapaka-kampa-kampante, guys. If this oil price will go at 100 pesos per liter, I'm telling you, people will get crazy. Magmamahal ang bigas, ang gatas, ang pampers, ang tubig, utilities, kuryente, lahat po magtataas po ng presyo. So we need to work double time as parents. As parents, we need to work double time. Teka lang, mag-relax lang ako. Masyado akong active. Wait lang. Ito yung epekto ng asukal. Ang sarap nung Bavarian tsaka nung ang tawag dun? Choco, Hindi ko pa kinakain. Meron nung choco honey, Anong tawag dito, guys? Sorry, ipakita ko lang sa inyo. Hindi ko pa kinakain. Yung may orange. Anong tawag dun sa may orange? Yung may orange na may chocolate sa loob. Anong tawag dun? Yun ang masarap. Paborito ko yun. Kinain ko lang yung isa, yung may chocolate. Masarap. Kaya na-hyper tayo. So anyways, balik tayo sa usapan natin. So, mag-iingat tayo, no? I mean, at the end of the day, sobrang mahal po ng presyo ng gasolina natin. Thank you, Choco Butternut. Grabe ka naman, Damas. Manila to Cavite. Uy, Damas, nagawa ko yan before, ha? Uy, guys, nagawa ko ang Manila, Baclaran to Bacoor. Nagawa ko maglakad. Hindi po ako nagbibiro. 2006, bagyong milenyo. Nako, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Tumataas na daw yung price increase na nga. So, anong kailangan mong gawin? Kailangan maghanap tayo ng paraan para i-hodl nyo muna yung pera nyo. Kahit bawasan nyo muna yung trading, meron dapat kayong iniipong pera ngayon, i-hodl nyo kay Bitcoin, guys. Kasi, to be honest with you, mahirap eh. O kaya kayo, pakita ko sa inyo to. Kayo, guys, mag-stake. I need you to stake. No? Pakita ko sa inyo to. I was sharing this sa mga taga-RTU kanina. Kasi ako po ay nagturo ng decentralized finance. Oy, mga taga-RTU, tingnan nyo to. Mga taga-RTU, tingnan nyo to. Kumita na ako ng in less than 1 day. Magkano kinita natin? Tingnan nyo to. Ano ba to ipakita? Nag-demo ako kanina eh. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. O, kita mo yan, di ba? Meron na ako 10 piso. Pamasahe yan. 12 pesos. Kanina lang ako nag-stake, ah. Kanina lang yan. Tingnan mo. Oh. Kanina lang yan, guys. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ano nyo, stake nyo. Ayan, tingnan mo, oh. March 5. March 5. March 5. Kanina lang, before ako mag-start ng liquid, dinemo ko sa harapan nila. So imagine mo, tago mo lang yung pera mo dyan, kumikita ka araw-araw, i-claim. I mean, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? I mean, it's a good one. I think so. Yan, no? I-stake mo. So, mga taga RTO, alam mo na yan, ha? Anyways, nag-raffle na tayo, guys. Nag-raffle na tayo. Okay, ready na tayo? Ready na? Ready na ba kayo for one winner of Trezor and 5,000 pesos? O yung coin, again, hindi ko kayo i-hype pa. Tigilan niyo ako, baka sabihin niyo hina-hype ko kayo. Ito, Who kasi it's a very hot ngayon. Who USDT. 79% yung yield eh. Grabe, no? Yan, bigla nagkaroon ako ng rewards, earnings agad. Wala pang isang araw, may 12 pesos na ako. Grabe. Stake kayo, guys. Gawin nyo. Ito na. Start na tayo. Let's do this. Ito na. Wait lang, guys, ha. Double check ko lang kung may mga dumagdag pa sa ating raffle. Shoutout pala kay MLBB Place, no? Meron na siyang 59,000 subscribers pero subscriber ko pa din siya. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Teka lang. Okay, nandito na lahat. Okay, guys. FYI, andito lang lahat na nakuha ko kay YouTube, ha? Okay? Andito lang lahat na nakuha ko kay YouTube. Kaya wag na kayong magtaka. Okay? Lahat yan. Ito na yung pinakadulo. Dadaan-dahanin ko yung papalabas na mga ipapakita ko sa inyo. May makita kayong Ay, wag na. Tama na to. Basta ang pinakadulo, ito na lang. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Ito na yung pinakadulo, ha. Baka sabihin yung Screenshot natin to. Para malaman nyo ito yung pinakadulo. O, ito na yung pinakadulo, ha, guys, ha. Ito yung analytics ni Coach. Ayan, tingnan nyo mabuti. O, ito na, ha. Ang pinakadulo kong pangalan, Jennifer Labandria. Sana manalo siya. Pinakadulo ko yan. Sinort ko on date subscribe. Okay, 1 of 10. Nakita mo, 1 of 10. Ito yung pinakauna, ha. Okay. Okay, type number 1 na meron, nakita nyo na yan. Kasi sabihin nyo, wala tayong DTI representative. Nakita nyo, ha, guys, ha. Siya na yung pinakadulo. Jennifer Labandria. 1 of 10. Sige nga, type number 1. Nakita mo yan? Okay. Let's do this. Ito na. Kinakabahan ako. Tan-tararan. Hanap nga tayo muna ng music. Wait lang. Ayusin ko lang yung mga pangalan. Give me a second. Isang mabilis. na commercial lang. Sandali. Panoorin po nyo ito. Wait lang po. This is Coach Miranda Miner and welcome sa bago na naman nating promotion here in our channel. Yes, today we're gonna be partnering with Bybit, the next level trading, kung saan we're gonna be giving away Oculus Quest 2 in partnership with Bybit. There are actually 10 ways to earn. Just click on the Gleam.io link that's gonna be shared to you in any of our social media pages in Facebook, in Twitter, etc. And also register using our referral link in Miranda Miner link. And there you go. You actually have 10 ways to enter. Yan. Napakaraming ways to enter. Register, download, upload your first Bybit trade, join Bybit Filipino Telegram, join Bybit FB community. Ang dami pang ibang ways to earn. Alright. Alam mo, I'm looking forward for you to get this na. Sumali ka na. And there's already 44 entries, 17 days left. And looking forward for you to experience the next metaverse. Alam mo ba, in Oculus, pwede kang maraming mapuntahan kahit you're not physically there. And it looks like you're gonna be really there, no? Tapos, you could also actually do some exercise, di ba? Kasi parang you are on the imaginary world. Alright, so I'm looking forward to have you to get this very, very good-looking, very awesome Oculus up for grabs for you ASAP. So join ka na, Miranda, and looking forward for your entries today. Sali ka na. Thank you. Salamat. John James Drum Beats. Ayan, mute ako. John James Drum Beats. Nandito ba siya? John James Drum Beats. Sorry naman, Alder. So cute naman. Reroll, walang audio. Grabe. Okay na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5, 9 3/4. Wala. Bigla nag-music. Ayan, wait lang. O, sige na. Wala talaga. O, tulog na. Another raffle. Sayang naman to. Nanalo na ng Trezor. O, sige na. Isa pa. Bong Araguas. Nasaan si sino ba nandiyan dyan? Hindi ko makita. Nasaan? Sino nga? Nag-comment ba siya? Hindi ko makita, hindi ko mabasa. Nasaan? Ayun! Si John James Drum Beats. Ay, nandiyan dyan. Okay, John James Drum Beats, nanalo ka ng... Ano ba yung napanalunan niya? Nakalimutan ko na. Ano panalunan niya? Nakalimutan ko na. Sabihin niyo nga sa akin. Ano na panalunan niya? John James Drum. Ang tagal mo kasi mag-comment, John James Drum. Okay. So, dyan kayo. Okay. O, John James, mag-join ka dito. Interviewin kita. Wait lang. Mag-join ka, interviewin kita. Gusto ko malaman kung ikaw ba ay ni-refer o ano ka ba eh. Gusto ko malaman eh. Ha? Ikaw ba ay ni-refer? Ano ka ba? O ikaw ba ay member? Sino nag-refer? Kasi bago ka lang dapat. Wait lang. Kayo sasamahan nyo. Anong donut ang na panalunan? O sige na, mag-join ka dito ha. I-click mo to. Ikaw lang mag-join ha. Walang mag-join ng iba ha. Guys ha, walang mag-join ng iba. Okay, join here. Ni-refer ka. Very good. Sino nag-refer sa'yo? Pasalamatan mo yung nag-refer sa'yo. Mag-join ka dyan. Join on that link. Interviewin kita online. Sino nag-refer sa'yo? Sino nag-refer sa'yo? Tingnan natin. Ayun. Ayun. John James. Kamusta ka? John James. Ayun. Oy! Teka. Ila-live kita. Wait lang. Ila-live kita. Wait lang. Ayun guys, mag-hello kayo sa kanya. Ayun. Wait lang.
Hindi mo kayo pa.
O yan, nakikita na kita. Narinig mo ba ako, John James?
Hello, sir.
Ayun.
Hello, sir.
Sino yung John James sa inyo?
Sir, ako yung John James.
Ikaw yung John James. Sino yung nag-refer sa'yo?
Ito, sir, yung kapatid ko, sir.
Beginner alumni.
Ayun.
Hello, coach.
O, bigyan na ng jacket yan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
I'm just kidding, no. So, ano ba yung sinabi kong napanalunan mo? Nakalimutan ko eh. Ano ba yung sabi panalunan mo? Trezor ba?
Trezor and sir.
Trezor lang. Yung iba pa yun. Wait lang. O sige. So, nanalo ka ng Trezor, ha? Tapos yung susunod na i-raffle ko, nanalo ng 5,000. So, hindi ka nakikinig sa akin. Hindi ka nakikinig before, ni-refer ka lang ng kapatid mo. Ha? Pakausap nga sa kapatid mo, pakausap sa kanya. Oh,
Hello po, coach.
Sino mas matanda sa inyong dalawa?
Ako po, coach.
Oh, so sino ang gagamit ng Trezor, siya ba?
Ako po, coach. Ako na lang.
Grabe, no? Natutuwa ako sa inyo. Gamitin nyo maayos yan, ha? O, sige. So, congratulations, John James. Buti na nanalo ka. At enjoyin mo yung Trezor. Papadala namin sa'yo, no? We will get your address and we will send you that Trezor, no? Okay?
Thank you.
Alright. Dadagdagan ko na yan ng 1,000 pesos para doon sa kapatid mo.
Thank you, coach.
Para meron ka ng $20 na pang simula dyan sa may Trezor na yan.
Thank you, coach.
Sige, maraming salamat ha. Okay, ingat kayo. We will contact you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Ayun. Para nagiging Kuya Willie na tayo dito ha. Jim will Pacquiao in the house. Kayo talaga. Kayo talaga pinapatawa nyo ako eh, no? Okay, ito na yung 5,000 pesos. Ito na po. Nako. Ito na yung 5,000 pesos na mapapanalunan ninyo. Grabe. Grabe, 5,000 pesos na. Paraffle ko daw yung Bavarian. Oy, pag nag-raffle ako ng Bavarian Choco, may kasamang date. Deliver kita sa isang hotel. Pag nag-raffle ako ng Bavarian Choco. Natutuwa naman ako sa nangyayari ngayon. Nawala yung pagod ko ah. Oy, Miss Choi, nakikinig ka ba, Miss Choi? Patulong naman ako. Padala natin yung Trezor tsaka yung 1,000 pesos doon sa nanalo magkapatid. Ha, Miss Choi? Pagawa na ako ng jacket. Tatawagan ko na dito. Oh, join ka. Pag nanalo. Diba? Pag nanalo ka ng donut, may kasama kang date. Oy, Donald Entong, kamusta ka na? Tagal na hindi nag-uusap pa. Mon Mingoa. Alright. Tropan JC, umayos ka. Alright. Okay. Alright. Oo, Cassandra, natutuwa nga ako pero hindi ako natutuwa sa turnout na nag-subscribe eh. Konti lang nag-add. Nakita mo to, konti lang kayo guys. O, sige na. Let's do this for the 5,000 peso winner is. Huwag ka magagalit pag hindi ka nanalo. Para maganda yung balik ng universe sa'yo. Kung hindi ka man lang manalo, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Alright. O, sige na. Okay. The next winner is for 5,000 pesos. Oy, thank you, Divine. Thank you. 2 months ka na. Abby Espanya. Ito, babae. Tingnan natin. Abby Espanya. Oy, Be Inspired. Sorry ha, dina-download ko lang talaga sa YouTube. Kinukuha ko lang sa kanila. Abby Espanya. Nasaan ka na? Dito ka na ba? Please join. Please join. Andre Cedric Juan. Hindi ka na absent. Abby, andiyan ka ba? Ayun! O Abby, please join. Andun agad si Abby, bilis. Please join the Google link. Please join yung Google naka... Join na. Makausap ko na to. Ay, wait lang. Wait. Okay, wait. Ito na. Dito ka mag-join ha. Dito ka mag-join sa pangalawa. Join there on the second one. I'll wait for you. Sino nag-refer kay Abby? Bigyan mo naman balato yung kaibigan mo. Mon, sige Mon. Bibigyan ka na. Abby, nandiyan ka na ba, Abby? Tingnan natin. Let's wait for Abby, guys. Ayun. Hello, Miss. Hey, Abby, kamusta ka na?
Okay lang po. Kakasabi ko lang, hindi ako sorta sa Raffle.
Tapos nanalo ka. Ano pakiramdam?
Yes po. Ayun po, sobrang saya. Gagamitin ko po siya ng maayos. I'm planning to enroll. Sobrang sakto po.
Anong pakiramdam nanalo ng 5,000 pesos?
Ayun po, masaya po.
Sino nag-refer sa'yo? Sino nag-refer sa'yo?
Germany Tolentino po.
Talaga?
Batch 27 po ata siya. Kung di po ako nagkakamali.
Germany kakilala mo ba siya?
Yes po, workmate ko po siya.
Oh, ngayon mo lang ba ako nakilala, Miranda Minor?
Actually, yes po, this week lang, kunikwento niyo po sa amin na medyo maganda nga daw po yung mga sessions. So, nag-try po akong magsubaybay. Parang 1 week na din. Ako nag-aabang ng mga live every 10 p.m. So, yun.
Mag-hello ka naman. Maraming gustong makilala ka dito sa live natin.
Hello po.
Taga saan ka, Abby, if you don't mind? You don't need to give me the exact
Taguig po.
address, ha? Kahit
Manila
yung
po. Taguig lang po.
You're from Taguig. Okay,
Yes.
Ano ka ba? Taga Manila ka ba talaga?
Bicol po yung province ko.
Ay, saan ka sa Bicol?
Sa Daet po, sa Camarines Norte.
Ay, Daet. Kasi tatao ko magtaram ng Bicol?
Iyo po, totoo man.
Tatao man? Kasorin ka pa nagdigdig sa Manila?
College lang. Digdi lang ako nag-adal ng college.
Isay karibana mo digdi.
Solo lang ako.
Saro ka man lang. Inasay ka mga tugang mo. Mayo man digdi. Saro ka man lang.
Meron na pero may asawa na po sila. May asawa na po siya. So
ikaw,
nakahiwalay na ako.
Igwa ka bang bata?
Iyo po.
Igwa ka ng bata? Okay. Sorry, mga boys ha. Igwa ng boyfriend eh. May boyfriend na eh. No, okay. Nakikinig. Batiin mo naman siya. Baka balik pangalanan mo. Okay lang.
Edward.
Oh, Edward daw.
Robles.
Anyways. Oy, I'm proud of you. Congratulations. Kung di mo ako kilala kay Miranda Minor. We will contact you separately. We will credit your 5,000 pesos to your account. Congratulations. At
Thank you po.
nagulat ka, parang bigla na lang nanalo ng 5,000 isang gabi, no?
Oo nga po.
Malaki din yun, ha? Hindi maliit yun.
Nanonood lang.
Nanonood ka lang. Alright, sige. Maraming salamat, Abby, ha? And I'll see you soon, Miranda. Thank you.
Thank you po. God bless po.
Thank you. Oy, Abby, email me din. Email mo ako sa coach@globalmiranda.minor para we can contact you to credit your, kasi we don't know your contact details, ha? Email us.
Yes po, sure po.
coach@globalmirandaminor.com.
Okay, thank you po.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, Abby. Bye-bye.
Thank you po. Bye-bye po.
Ayun naman pala. Okay, ang sarap na manalo. Para na tayong si Kuya Will. Si Kuya Will dito, di ba? Anyways, maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors. No? Thank you again to dyan sa ating kaibigan si Jasper, no, ang may-ari po ng Axie Ninja in Shopee. Maraming salamat. If you would like to become a sponsor, yung mga tulad ng ganito, let me know. I can promote your channel or kung ano man yan. Let me know, ha. So, basta hindi lang kita kalaban or hindi ka the same level, rather, that's not the right word. Hindi ka same level ng ginagawa natin. Kumbaga, ikaw ay nasa pagkain, ikaw ay na kung saan-saan. So, let me know. I can promote you and your product. Just send me an email, coach@globalmirandaminor.com. You'd like to promote your brand, let me know. Kung pwede ba natin i-promote yan, we will let you know. We can make a commercial from it, let me know. Send us an email. By the way, congratulations. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Dexio Protocol. Officially, we're going to be a partner of Dexio Protocol in promoting their brand. No? So maraming salamat sa ating marketing team. Promoting, and by the way, not really promoting to the sense of really hard selling it to you guys. No? Ibig sabihin dyan, syempre i-interviewin natin sila, kikilalanin natin sila, and kung ano-ano pa. And naging partner po natin sila sa pamamagitan ng pagtuturo sa kanila on how to market it correctly. Tayo po ay isang consultancy company and corporation. Meron po tayong alam in how to promote brands. Yan po ang ating expertise, at sila po ay kumuha sa atin para tulungan po silang i-build ang kanilang portfolio, ang kanilang marketing plan. So, thank you again, Roxy and Greg, for trusting us. Rest assured, more partnerships to come, and you will see, hindi po kami yan, no? Kumbaga, tayo lang ay nakakuha ng oportunidad na magbigay ng trabaho sa kapwa Pilipino na tumulong, no? Hindi po kami magpo-promote ng ng lilinawin ko lang, we're not going to promote Dexio. We will be getting and helping them build their marketing strategy. Yun po ang ating partnership sa kanila. And of course, i-interviewin ko na lang kasi I'm also excited kasi we're gonna be interviewing their COO as well, no? So maraming salamat. Thank you, Tropan JC. Maraming salamat. Abangan nyo, kung hindi kayo nanalo today, malapit na po ang ating 75,000 peso raffle. Road to 75,000 subscribers na tayo. Okay? Hindi ko ira-raffle yung buong 75,000, ha? Hahatiin natin yun. Malay mo, we can buy a laptop. We can buy a TV. Marami tayong bibilin. Basta, we need to be together, Miranda. We need to hit 75,000 subscribers very soon. Bahang ko ang tulong mo, ha. Maraming salamat. If you're from the RTU, maraming salamat. The gold and the blue, raise your flag. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Batch 28, 27, 26 onwards, maraming salamat. And ang ating mga intermediate batches, maraming salamat. Batch 19, batch number 20, and so on and so forth. I love you 3,000 Miranda at maraming salamat po. To God be all the glory and I love you 3,000. Thanks Miranda. Salamat. And to the winners, please don't forget to email us, John James and to Abby, please email us at coach@globalmirandaminor.com. I love you guys at maraming salamat. Magandang gabi at shalom. Thank you. I love you 3,000.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.